Once Mahatma Gandhi said that there is enough resources for someone need, but there is no resources for someone greed. My friends, with this quote, me chess number 11, we represent today lecture 8, India and UK economy. My friends, after partition in 1947, we see that UK has looted around $2 trillion from India. India is rich in culture and diverse, but after the partition, we have seen that India is divided into two parts. First is Pakistan and the second is India. My friends, this result in religious riots between India and Pakistan, which result in so much bloodshed. After that, we have seen that today India and Pakistan relations are deteriorating, and the only reason behind this is the partition in 1947. My friends, moreover, talking about UK, so for Indian businessmen, UK is the only safer place where they can go after doing scams in India. Talking about Vijay Mallya, so he is the owner of Kingfisher, and we know that how he scam India and then settle in UK. Moreover, talking about UK, so UK has also given us so much better things like army. British army is one of the prestigious army and also known for their discipline. Army that we have today is only get not only because we have courageous, but also that the British army has made the discipline and the rules. Today also in the army, the rules that are followed was made by the British army. Talking about IMA and also so many generals like Sam Manekshaw, who was the major and also field marshal of our country, was made in the time of British era. Moreover, my friends, we have seen that once the British or the UK, which is United Kingdom, has a dominance all over the world. It is at the center, and today if we have seen, rather than other parties like Mongolians or other any dominance, UK has the most dominance. Moreover, talking about UK, so United Kingdom has now divided. Has we seen that the Queen of UK has died recently. Moreover, after that, the value of pound has been decreases. India, which has a population of 1.5 billion, has now become the third largest economy in the world by surpassing Japan. And recently, we have also our aim is to pass the UK by 2030. Moreover, under Viksit Bharat, we are becoming the Atmanirbhar Bharat. Moreover, also try to make our dominance. At last, I would conclude that India is known for its culture, which has been taken away by the United Kingdom or Britishers. We have our rules, our responsibilities. We are the nation that teach other countries that how to live life, what are the morals, and therefore, at last, we are the country which is Atmanirbhar, not depending on other countries for our survivals. We are the nation, we are together, and together we are the future of the world. Thank you and have a nice day.